welcome back to One Humble Knot. This is part 3 of our granny square bag. I just want to say thank you for everyone that's been watching so far. I actually can't believe how many people are actually following along and watching. Yeah, so thank you for all the support. I think I'm up to, not even I think, I'm up to 23 subscribers. So thank you everyone that is subscribing. Yeah, it's been great. I can't believe this has already happened so far. Hopefully this video is going to be shorter than the next. This has been so tricky trying to find the right strap to do. It's my first time doing this strap. I am following a pattern as well, but let's get into this. So we're going to start off with a magic ring. If you've seen, oh gosh, sorry, my thread's all twisted. If you've seen one of my previous videos, the best way that I find to do a little magic ring, cross this over like you've got a little person there, and honestly, magic rings are just kind of annoying. Start crocheting, pull through. There we go. Finger over, hold back here. We're going to do 7 treble crochets. We're getting right into it this time. We've done our 7, keeping our little tail out. Then we chain 3, 2, 3, do a slip stitch. So then it's at the bottom, and then we're just going to, oh, it worked. I'm so happy it worked. And then we're just gonna tie that one close. Perfect. So that's nice and tight and close. We'll clean this in. Oh, that might be our joining stitch. Then we switch it around. We do another chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna do, oh, I'm not in focus. So we just chain 3. And then we're going to do 6 treble crochets in here. We've just done our 6 treble crochets, and then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and do a slip stitch right where we did our treble crochets. Switch it around again. Ooh. Chain another 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right where we had our chain 3, our first set of chain 3, we're going to do another 6 treble crochets into here, and we're just going to keep repeating this. So you can see the shape that is starting. It's almost like a little vine leaf look to it. We're just going to keep doing this until it's at your desired length. We've done the strap. We're at our last little, I don't know, clove, I guess. Quite funny thing, I saw these as leaves. My boyfriend saw them as little shells, like the little individual shells. I find as you go along, this is a good example. Try not to pull them out too much. If you spread them out a bit, it actually helps fill up the space. So as you go, see how that one's quite squished together, pull it out a bit, and it just fans out a bit more. You're spreading it out evenly. So you can always do a nice little clean up of that to, you know, however you want. But I've done 51 of these, including our beginning one. So this is our 51. So I've done my chain 3 and then 6 treble crochet. We're going to do a 7th one in the same little loop there. We're going to do an 8th one in the next stitch. 8th one in the next stitch. And then we're going to do a double crochet in the next stitch and then a slip stitch to finish it off. And then we'll just tie that one off. So now we've got our bag. What we're going to be doing, I kind of like the idea of having this hang over a little bit. I think that's quite cute. So it will be this last one that we do over. And this is where we're going to start doing some scalloped edges. I'm hoping this is going to be enough, which we will see. And then when we get around to the other side, I probably won't have any audio, but I'll just do a quick video. But we've got our starting one, and I'll just do a little attachment of here. One thing you want to make sure is that you're not twisting the strap, so when it's on you, it's, you know, sitting exactly how you want it to sit. But to start, we're going to go as if we're doing a, you know, starting our crochet stitch with our strap against here. We're going to go around anti-clockwise. So I have to think which way we're going for a second there. So to start, we've got our little loop ready to go for our thread. We grab a stitch that's somewhat, I want it more center, right in the center. Grab our yarn, pull it through, and do a slip stitch. This is how we're attaching it. We're going to clean up these threads a lot later. Okay, next thing we're doing is we're going to make sure we go through our strap as well. So leaving that tail there. So we're going to go through, yarn over, pull through, and we can do it again. So through the next stitch, through another bit of the strap, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. So we've got, and we're going to do it a third time along here. So next stitch through that section, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Okay, and then when we come back around, we're just going to do the same to attach the other side so it's nice and down. Now we're on the edge. You can see where we've already done some semi scalloping. So what we're going to do is just do it, I think we're going to do it in the little midway points, so like here. So we're going to go, how do we want to do this? Let's do, how much yarn do I have? Let's just do double crochets. So we go 1 in 1, do it again in the same stitch. We'll do 3, 4, 5, and you can see it creates a little scallop. So we're just going to do 5. Make it stand out some more, just going straight in that next stitch. I'm just doing a slip stitch. And then in the next one, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we did 5, slip stitch 5. So that means in the next one, do a slip stitch. And you want to make that nice and tight, so then your scalloped edges can kind of pop out a bit more. And we're just going to repeat that all the way around until we get to this end where we'll attach the strap, like I said. Just similar how we do, where you just do a few little slip stitches to secure it in place, and then we'll do some scallops around the edge as well. Okay, I've just moved outside, taken a few pictures, but this is the finished product. So you would have, let me flip it around to the side that you would have started, so if you can hear the plane in the background. We've scalloped all of these edges so it looks really nice and clean. We've attached the strap on this side, so we just did, oh, fixed focus. We just did slip stitches to attach it. And when you came around to the back, the front of it again, done your slip stitches in here. So you can see scallop on this side, scallop on that side. The bag as a whole looks really cute, so you can have it just over the shoulder or more of a cross bag. And yeah, so hopefully you liked it. This definitely was a shorter video than last time. Please give a like and subscribe. Feel free to comment anything that you would like to see next time. You know, any patterns, any how to reads, what to make, let me know and we can go through it together. But thank you for watching. Have a great day.